Kaseng National People's Party NPP hakalai trik ber kalater wayo lat ke Jylla Meghalaya ban kam halor ke Thaw Sorkar hapok ke Jylla. Menteri rang ba ke Jylla Conrad ki Sangma wala pentip ba kaseng NPP kadon ya ke Jingkyrshan jong arp khandai ngut kinong Thaw an. Ngut na kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP bat ubay MLE Shimet nabak mara. Shushu Conrad Sangma wala pentip ba menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi bat menteri ke Sorkar pedeng wa Amit Shah kinwan bandon rengkat haga jingbam semai bat kan long kat kum ga jingla jong menteri rang badu ban pelai ya kapor.
Friends, good morning friends. Just now the PP meeting of all the newly elected NPP MLAs. Just now we had a meeting and we decided and we have also elected Shri Conrad Sangma, our Chief Minister, as the PP leader of the NPP. That is the decision we take.
No, so we are, of course, our NPP MLAs are on their way because they are all election results got over last night. So till they are formally here, of course, on the phone we have spoken to everybody. And we are going to proceed as a party, and of course BJP has given its formal support to us, but we are going to meet the Honorable Governor, requesting him to call us and invite the National People's Party to form the government. And in the meantime, as I said, the BJP and other political parties have already extended their support, and those details are still with us.
What about UDP support?
We'll let you know. We'll let you know when the time comes. We'll let you know. We have been communicated that the Honorable Home Minister and the Honorable maybe even the Honorable Prime Minister would like to attend the swearing in, and therefore we are waiting for confirmation from the Honorable Prime Minister's office. So if he will be attending the swearing in, then we'll have to wait for the dates according to the Prime Minister. No, we are asking the Governor to invite the National People's Party, being the single largest party, to form the government. And as I said, we have already got support from different political parties, and that we will let you know. Partners, today we just had a meeting only with our NPP mainly, and of course our independent from Bakmara is also here already, and BJP. So right now we are 29. 29 means as a party from different independent and the political parties.